Mendel's dihybrid cross. It's a cross between two organisms of a species which is made to study inheritance of pairs of factors or traits of two characters. Mendel crossed pure tall plants having round seeds with pure dwarf plants having wrinkled seeds. In parental generation, Mendel selected tall plants with round seeds and dwarf plants with wrinkled seeds. Capital T, tallness, capital R, round. Small t, pure dwarf, small r, pure wrinkled. The gametes produced by tall round are capital T, capital R, and the gametes produced by dwarf wrinkled are small t, small r. In F1 generation, Mendel obtained all tall plants with round seeds. He obtained many plants, but all plants were tall, round seeds. From this, it's clear that tallness and round were dominant characters, whereas dwarf and wrinkled were recessive characters. The recessive characters did not express in F1 generation. Only dominant characters expressed in F1 generation. Then he allowed F1 plants for self-breeding. Mendel allowed F1 plants for self-breeding. One plant is considered as male and the other is considered as female. The gametes produced here, the gametes produced by male plant or male gametes are, there are four types of male gametes, capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, small t, small r. Four types of male gametes. At the same time, there are four types of female gametes also. Capital T, capital R, capital T, small r, small t, capital R, small t, small r. There are same type of male gametes and female gametes. Mendel allowed these gametes to cross each other. This crossing is shown in checkerboard. This board is called, or this box is called checkerboard. Here, male gametes are written here, female gametes are written here. There are four male gametes and there are four female gametes. The male gametes are capital T, capital R, capital T, small t, capital R, small t, small r. The female gametes are capital T, capital R, capital T, small t, capital R, small t, small r. He allowed these gametes to cross with male gametes. The first chance, capital T, capital R, capital R. This is a type of product. The second product, capital T, capital R, small r. Capital T, small t, capital R, capital R. Capital T, small t, capital R, small r. The next gamete combines with all these gametes. Capital T, capital R, small r. Capital T, small r, small r. Capital T, small t, capital R, small r. Capital T, small r, small r. The third gamete combines with all these gametes. Capital T, small t, capital R, small r. Capital T, small t, capital R, small r. Small t, capital R, capital R. Small t, capital R, small r. The next gamete, capital T, capital R, small r. Capital T, small r, small r. Small t, capital R, small r. The last product, small t, small r, small r. From this box, it's understood that Mendel obtained four types of products in F2 generation. In F2 generation, Mendel could get four types of offspring. Tall rounded, tall wrinkled, dwarf rounded, dwarf wrinkled. We can see 9 tall rounded plants. Tall rounded. See, this is one tall rounded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These plants are tall round plants. This is pure tall round. This is pure tall but heterozygous round. This is heterozygous tall pure round. This is heterozygous tall round. This one is pure tall heterozygous round. This is pure tall, another type. And here heterozygous tall round. Here heterozygous tall and pure round. Here heterozygous tall round and one more heterozygous tall round. It means tall rounded plants Mendel could get 9. The next type tall wrinkled, and tall wrinkled plants 3 are here. Tall wrinkled, 1, tall wrinkled 2 and tall wrinkled 3. 3 tall wrinkled plants. Dwarf wrinkled, dwarf rounded also 3. One dwarf round, another one dwarf round, one more dwarf round. 3 dwarf round plants. Dwarf wrinkled, the last one dwarf wrinkled. Only one dwarf wrinkled plant. It means in F2 generation, Mendel got tall rounded plants 9, tall wrinkled plants 3, dwarf rounded plants 3 and dwarf wrinkled plants 1. It means in the ratio of 9:3:3:1. This ratio is called dihybrid phenotypic ratio. Mendel's dihybrid phenotypic ratio is 9:3:3:1. 9 tall rounded, 3 tall wrinkled, 3 dwarf rounded and 1 dwarf wrinkled.
From his experiments, Mendel formulated 3 laws: law of dominance, law of segregation, and law of independent assortment. Mendel's law of dominance states that when parents with pure contrasting traits are crossed together, only one form of trait appears in the next generation. The hybrid offsprings will exhibit only the dominant trait in the phenotype. Law of dominance is also known as the first law of inheritance. Mendel's law of segregation states individuals possess 2 alleles and a parent passes only 1 allele to his or her offspring. Mendel's law of independent assortment states the inheritance of one pair of factors or genes is independent of the inheritance of the other pair.